Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with an update to the Day 1 Outlook. I did not think I'd have to do a video this late, but there's been a last minute upgrade from the Storm Prediction Center for the Day 1 Outlook, which is for technically tonight. It's nighttime now, so this is technically for tonight. Again, because it's nighttime now. So, anyway, everything mostly remains the same since I did my video this morning. There's really not been much change since I did my video this morning. So, except the Storm Prediction Center has added a moderate risk for severe weather tonight that encompasses east central North Dakota and west central Minnesota. Cities in tonight's moderate include Fargo, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, West Fargo, North Dakota, Jamestown, North Dakota, and Bemidji, Minnesota, however the hell you pronounce it. The enhanced risk remains the same, largely. It does now include far northern South Dakota with the enhanced, but parts of Minnesota, parts of North Dakota remain the same in that regard, and I think the SPC also kind of put it into far northwestern Wisconsin too. So, and the slight largely remains the same, and the two marginals remain largely the same. Cities in tonight. Oh, I already did the moderate. Okay. I already did the cities for the moderate. Okay, so the tornado threat for tonight remains largely the same. The 10%, I don't think the 10% included far northern South Dakota earlier, but now it kind of does. The 10% tornado risk. And the black dashed area, meaning highest potential to see strong EF2 tornadoes or stronger tonight. So, yeah. So, but the 5% and the 2% remain pretty much the same. And again, so does the 10% largely, but they kind of expanded it slightly, the 10% slightly, into far northern South Dakota. So, moving forward, the wind threat remains largely the same for tonight, except again, the Storm Prediction Center has added a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour tonight. There is now a 45% wind risk for tonight, encompassing east central North Dakota and west central Minnesota. The 45% wind risk area tonight includes Fargo, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota, West Fargo, North Dakota, Jamestown, North Dakota, and Bemidji, Minnesota, however the hell you pronounce it. The 30% wind risk area largely remains the same, except the Storm Prediction Center kind of expanded it a little bit into far northern South Dakota, the 30% area, and it now also includes extreme northwestern Wisconsin. But the black dashed area remains the same, where again we have the highest potential to see hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms tonight within the black dashed area. The black dashed area again remains largely the same. The 15% wind risk area remains the same, and the two 5% wind risk areas too remain the same. So, and largely the hail threat remains the same, largely. There's still a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tonight, so, in parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. And they kind of expand the 30% slightly into far northern South Dakota. So, yeah. But the 15% and 5% hail risk areas remain the same, and the black dashed area, which indicates the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tonight, that remains largely the same. So, yeah. Anyway, so in summary, come on. There we go. In summary, A significant swath of severe winds is expected this evening and tonight from the northern plains eastward into the upper Mississippi Valley. So there's a change I had to address for tonight. So I'm not ignoring anything. So stay safe in the affected areas tonight, and before you go to bed tonight, be sure to have a way of being notified for severe weather tonight. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tonight on the lowest level of your home. So you won't have to worry about moving during the night. So stay safe tonight, and I will have my day one outlook first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.